This is a IAV valve without an actuator. You can see the damper inside. This can be outfitted with many different actuators. That's accomplished by installing various types of mounting platforms on this mounting platform happens to be for a pneumatic actuator. We have mounting platforms for electronic actuators such as these, and we have mounting platforms for digital actuators such as these. These digital actuators are also controllers. This is an IAV valve with an electronic actuator and our analog computer controller on it. This controller has all the inputs and outputs necessary to incorporate a full IAV control system. It's a standalone system, or it has analog inputs and outputs that tie back to a central position. Everything on this is plug in and plug out, so the wiring, there's no terminations required whatsoever, no chance for a mistake. Installing the valve consists of taking the old hose off of your induction unit. This is a typical induction unit. Taking the hose off, cleaning the cement off. Then you install an IAV valve. There's a direction of flow indication on the valve. Installing the valve directly into the spigot of the controller of the induction unit. Then sealing it. Now we have various and assorted ways of sealing it. Some of the best ways of sealing it are using a butyl tape. This butyl tape is available in rolls. This does not harden over time. It's good for 50 years or more. Sticks very well to the valve and sticks very well to the metal, as you can see. We also have available to you a butyl sealing compound, which can be put on and sealed by hand all the way around. Then you can put a hose clamp or whatever to tighten up on the installation. That butyl is available in rolls such as this from an electrical supply house, or from Amazon, or from Granger. We also have assorted devices that are available commercially through Amazon or from Home Depot. These can fit on spiral tape, spiral piping, and this spiral piping fitting fits on here. You tighten it up and it's complete onto the valve. Also have other fittings that fit on there. We have available to us as well this coupling. This coupling is made from a fabric material, the same material that is used to connect the discharge of a fan to the ductwork. Very rugged, lasts, as you know, 50, 75 years. This is available with the hose clamps pre-installed in it. Okay. So the procedure would be to remove the old hose, install the valve, install the new hose over the valve, okay, using a coupling or any of those methods I just talked about, as well as possibility you can put it in using a hot glue gun. We have a glue that it works very well with both the valve and the metal. And what's nice about it is the glue is that you can raise it to 270 with a heat gun and easily remove it. If your tubing which after 50 years is crumbling, you can buy this tubing in 25 or 50 foot lengths from Granger or online from various tubing manufacturers. This has a metal winding inside. This will last as long as your induction unit will. The procedure again is remove the old hose, clean it, install the valve and then spigot, install the new hose or the old hose back on here with a hose clamp. Depending on your accessibility, this can be done in less than 10 minutes. Thank you for your attention.